So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my dip powder at home. It's so easy. So here's the before and after. So first, starting off with my dip powder kit I purchased online. It's from Revel Nails. It's their dip powder starter kit. So it comes with step 1, step 2, step 3, and your choice of a dip powder. I'll leave it down below for you guys if you are interested. So first going into step 1, which is the Pro Base, and going into my dip powder in the shade Erica. I'm first taking step 1, again the Pro Base, applying that evenly onto my nail. Going into the dip powder, I'm dipping my finger into that and then tapping off any extra powder. I'm going in with a cuticle pusher to clean up any edges to make it nice and precise. And then just taking a clean, fluffy brush and brushing off any extra powder. I go ahead and do this onto all 10 nails. I do this 2 times, so 2 coats to get a nice, even base. Okay, so that right there is with 2 layers on of the dip powder. Now going into step 2, which is the activator. This is going to make your nails really nice and hard so you can file. So I'm taking this and applying it really nice and evenly throughout my whole nail. Really make sure you saturate the nail with this because again, it's going to make them really nice and hard. Now we're going to go in with the 180 nail grit file. I'm taking that and filing the edges as well as the tops of my nails to my liking. And then I'm also going to go in with my buffer and take the smooth side and smooth out the tops of my nails. Went ahead and washed my hands. Now going back in with step 2, which is the activator, I'm reapplying that to every nail. Why I'm doing this is because it activates the top coat and makes sure it goes on really nice and smoothly and is also really shiny. And lastly, I went ahead and applied step 3, which is the top coat. I applied this evenly onto all 10 nails. Then after I went ahead and applied some cuticle oil, and that is it. I hope you guys really enjoy and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.